Hola, my name is Gisela, and I'm a musician with over a decade of experience in the music industry and the co-founder of AdaLink. AdaLink is a platform designed to push Cardano's decentralization further. We aim to connect SPOs with content creators, NFT project leaders, marketers, and whales to promote their pools and attract new delegators. By leveraging the power of affiliate marketing and collaborating with these affiliates, SPOs can increase their visibility and attract the essential delegation needed for long-term sustainability. But what is affiliate marketing? This is a practice in advertising where third-party publishers are compensated for directing customers to a company's goods and services. It is a proven effective, low-budget, low-risk, and popular method for boosting companies' visibility and revenue. And if you like numbers, like I do, note this. This method is so effective that 80% of top brands and 94% of publishers and content creators participate in it. So imagine what it can do for our ecosystem. Dive into our Project Catalyst proposal to learn more about our mission to connect, collaborate, and grow Cardano with AdaLink. Okay. I'm sorry for that. Okay, now. Okay, so now I will present to you how will user interactions work in the platform. Here we have that SPOs can select the epochs they are open for promotions, and the affiliate will select an SPO and epochs they want to collaborate with. Then the affiliate will receive an estimate of potential commission rewards, and affiliate then can send the offer to the SPOs. The SPO will receive the offer with an estimate of incoming delegation, and the SPO accepts or declines the offer. If the SPO accepts, the partnership is created, and then at the end of every epoch, AdaLink's smart contract will send the appropriate amount of commission rewards to